Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we'll be working on the rotor Myvi again. As you recall, in one of my previous video that happened I think a year plus back, where I restored the exterior of this rotor Myvi on a budget. Now we are going to continue on that. We'll be changing the headlight cover, which has turned yellow after 1 year plus from the restoration. We'll be changing the fog light. We will be changing the... Actually, this looks good, but I'm still gonna change it. The mold here, and yeah, let's see what else we can do. All right. Okay, since we are going to be doing majority of the things on the front, what I'll be doing is I'll be removing the front bumper first. So to do that, I have some cable ties here, okay, that I need to remove on both side wheels, and then some clips over here, 1 2 3 4 5. I'll remove that. I will need to remove this as well by prying on it and opening it, and then by right there should be a nut at the back here, but that's not bolted, so that's good. So I'll remove this first. One more bolt over here to remove. Okay, so to remove the headlight, there should be a clip here, but mine is missing. Well, okay. One bolt here, one bolt here, and one bolt over here. Okay, remove these 3 bolts. Unplug all the connectors at the back there. There's 3. One for this light, one for this light, and one for this light. So remove these 3 and you should be able to pull it out. One thing I noticed is that there's a hole over here, so this is dry, whereas there's no hole over here, which is why it's always wet. And bear in mind, I've not driven this car for about a week, so I'm probably gonna drill a hole here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna drill a hole over here. It does seem like it has the indentation, but there's no hole. Yep. By far the fastest thing I've done on this car. Just making a hole, let the water drain. I will wash this up later. I will wash this and sand this a bit, and I'll just spray a bit over here. Okay, remember how yellowish the yellow headlights is? So we'll be changing off the cover. So it's the same thing. I'll heat up the headlight to 240 degrees Celsius, then I'll pry it open and replace it with this. So for this DIY, I would not be doing anything to the internals, just changing the covers. Okay, so this is where I was dismantling the headlight. So the old one's over here, the new one's over here. You can clearly see the difference. Okay, so one thing to note is that there is actually a screw hole over here. So you need to unscrew this, alright? Because it actually goes into the back portion over here. Okay, then you can actually unscrew this from here. I was thinking whether or not to black this out, but okay, the other headlight just fell off. Okay, so I was thinking whether to black this out, but decided against it because while if you see the chrome here is a bit cloudy, it's still in quite a good condition. I'll try to polish it. Whereas if I were to black out, I will need to tape this up because this is where the auxiliary light is, and it doesn't work if it's black out over here. Okay, so I'm not gonna black this out. I'm just gonna try and do a light polish over it. Okay, and then I will add on a bit more sealant because most of the sealant was over here. Okay, but one thing I like is that I've actually gotten this new tool, and this actually makes my life so much easier compared to when I was doing it for the Inspira and the Ford that's supposed to park over there. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna assemble this back. Oh yeah, one more thing, this is actually held on by some screws as well. So there's one over here, one over here, one over here. Okay, and then some clips. Okay, so this attaches to here. Okay, if you were to put it in, it will clip up over here, and then it will screw on over here to here, here to here, and so on so forth. Okay. Okay, after 1 hour, this is not the result. This is the result. Okay, after 1 hour of prying it open and just replacing the glue and putting it back together and installing it, and yeah. Okay, time to do the next one. Okay, so we have assembled back. Nice headlights, nice bumper, and if you notice, I have actually plastic dipped the bottom part, so I will need to clean this up later. Now time to install back the fog lamp, but are we really going to be using back this old yellowish fog lamp? No way, no way. We are going with new ones. Ponyan Auto Parts. Oh man, this is difficult. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. No. Hell yeah. Okay, so we've installed back the fog lamp. Who am I kidding? This is rubbish. Let's move on to LEDs. Alright, so what I've done is I've actually changed the H8 halogens to a H8 H8, 9, 11. All three models are compatible LEDs, and it's from unknown brand. It's quite cheap. I will in the summary, I will tell you how much all these things cost. Okay, so these are direct plug and play, no wiring needed, just plug and play. Bloody awesome. Alright, so lovely. Okay, so one more thing to do for today. This is missing. It doesn't look nice. Just a cap. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Nice. Very nice. So the LEDs are 8000K. This is 6000K. Alright. Okay, so here's a summary of this, but to be honest, that video was recorded back in December 2024. Currently is August 2025, so it has been 8 months. This still looks perfectly nice. This is good, this is good. The lights are super bright. This is done, and I did notice in the video, I did mention that I'll be changing this, but this was just changed recently, somewhere around August 2025. So I'll put a different video for that. So after 8 months, everything still looks very good. And let me tell you, the DIY was super satisfying in terms of the results. So let's have a breakdown of the cost right now. So for the cover of the headlights, it's about 100 ringgit for one pair. The fog lights was about 50 ringgit for one pair. The LED was about, surprisingly, 30 ringgit only. Oh, and the cover over here, this is about 5 ringgit. Okay, I will put a link down below in the description on where I buy all this. Okay, actually all of it is in Shopee. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Right. I hope you learned something, and if you do, make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell button so you get notified on our next uploads. After 8 months, still bloody awesome. See ya.